Guys, hey, good afternoon. I'm waiting at school pickup. It's about 2:45. Crazy busy day, but feeling good. Dinner's done, ready to go. House is tidy, ready to go. Done some laundry. Amazing, go me. We have soccer this afternoon. I've got treats, I've got snacks. Goldie's in the car. Look, we've hit 22 degrees today. Boiling. I'll say hey. Or louder. Sorry. Are we messing with Shrek? But guys, just saying hey. Hey. Oh gosh. Alright, let's go, Joe. It's very serious business at soccer.
Look, the kids are all like playing soccer. It's so cute. It's like so cute. Do you see that?
Getting organised for their trip. Oh god, look at me. It's so cute. It's so, so cute.
You ready, Goldie? Cat. Oh, so close. Try again. That was... Look to me.
Dad, you look yucky.
Look at that one.
They're so cute.
Barbie cake. Yeah. Oh, no.
It didn't even get you.
Your scrubs are too thick.
Say my name, say my name.
Guys, we've had a dishwasher issue. We've had, we've had leakage. We reckon, Sam reckons, it's from this pipe here. From this pipe being kinked. I don't know. It was coming up on the little screen thing here. It kept, what did it say?
EI.
It kept saying E1 or EI on the little screen thing, but we've pulled it out and we're just letting it do a cycle and it seems to be running fine, so I don't know. Like I've said, we're new to dishwashers, so what do you reckon? Let me know, because I just started Googling how much dishwashers were, and it would be better if, you know, this wasn't broken.
It wasn't broken.
It would be better if it wasn't broken. We spoke too soon. Look, guys. No. And then we've noticed all here too. Can you see all the water?
Yes,
I think it's draining. What are we watching?
Bully the Kid.
We're watching Bully the Kid. Guys, we're watching Billy the Kid.
Billy the Kid.
Billy the Kid. Check it out, it's on Stan. It's pretty great. It is annoying though, if you're a binger, it's not for you. It comes out only once a week. But then I missed a week and we got thrown off, so I don't know. Who keeps watching P Valley? Where's Billy the Kid? Who's on our stand? It's George. George. It's George. It's George. He's doing this, isn't he?
So all my family following us.
Guys, it was like a funny thing. Sam's sister put on Instagram this funny like rant about whoever's watching Star Wars. What was it? Whoever's watching Star Wars on my account, stop. I'm sick of, you know, scrolling. Is there no more?
They haven't done a new episode.
Oh, they haven't done a new episode. That's annoying. And anyway, and she was like, stop watching Star Wars on my account. Like, I don't want to scroll through 50 million Star Wars to get to my show, blah, blah, blah. And she's like, it was my cousins or my family or blah, blah, blah. And it's really funny. It's actually one of Sam's friends. Anyway, look, you had to be there moment. Don't worry about it. It's actually not a good story. But anyways, guys, we're a bit Devo. Do you want to watch that documentary?
Not really.
I do.
Maybe.
We're going to watch a documentary. But guys, thank you so much for watching. And we will see you in our next video. Bye-bye. I need your hand.